Welcome to ACC.22. This video tutorial will show you how to claim credits and certificates for participation in this year's meeting. On the ACC.22 virtual meeting site's Credit tab, click the link to the ACC.22 Online Planner. This will take you to the ACC.22 Online Program Planner and Credit System. Here you will be able to add sessions to your library and create a customized schedule tailored to your needs. During and after the meeting, you will use the Program Planner to claim your credit or certificate of participation. You can search for a session by typing a word or phrase in the search bar, shown here. Or browse sessions by day, practice focus, session type, session format, or pathway using the filters shown here. For example, if you want to browse all the vascular medicine sessions on a specific date, you could select Vascular Medicine under Learning Pathways. And use the filters on the left-hand side of the results page shown here to pick a specific date, in this case, Sunday, April 3rd. For many sessions, you can click the arrow next to the session title to view a drop-down list of the presentation within the session. Once you've found a specific session to add to your schedule, click Add to My Itinerary to the right of the result. You can also add the session to your credit cart by selecting Add to Credit Cart, or complete the session evaluation by selecting Evaluate Session. Click on a result to view a breakdown of the session, including time, location, pathway, credits offered, and a presentation list. You can review all sessions in your itinerary at any time by selecting My Itinerary at the top of the page, as shown, and choosing either List View or Calendar View. On the My Itinerary page, you can also print your itinerary, export it as a calendar file, or export it as a .csv file. You can also clear the itinerary completely if you'd like to start over by clicking here. Select My Credit Cart/Certificate at the top of the page to see your cart. Please note that the box at the top of this page can be expanded to provide easy-to-follow instructions on evaluation and claiming credits and certificates. You can select Import Sessions from Itinerary to add sessions from your schedule, or select Add New Sessions to Cart to add sessions individually. To delete a session from the cart, select Remove next to the session time. You can also adjust the amount of credits you are claiming for a session with the slider as shown here. Once your cart is finalized, choose the appropriate certificate on the right side of the page under Available Certificates. You will be prompted to complete any missing requirements, such as the required meeting evaluation at this step. Finally, select Generate and Print/Email to create your certificate or claim document. Evaluate and credit claiming will be available beginning April 2nd, 2022, and credit must be claimed by May 1st, 2022. During that window, you will be able to begin the credit claiming process by clicking the Claim Credit box shown here. Please note that ABIM, MOC, ABP MOC, and CPE credit may only be claimed once, so please be sure that you only proceed with credit claiming once you have finished your participation in the content you wish to claim credit for.
If you run into any issues, please contact us at acceducation@acc.org.